What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link for the Discord is in the description below or up on the screen. Today we are going to learn how to play Mountain, River, and Sea by Jeremiah, featuring... Oh no, it's not featuring. Maybe it is, and I read it wrong. Anyways, Mountain, River, and Sea. Grab your ukulele, let's go jam. Okay guys, 2 chords for this song. We're gonna play D minor, cover the top 2 strings here on the 2nd fret, and cover the 2nd string on the 1st fret. We're also gonna play a high C. We're gonna cover the bottom 2 strings here on the 3rd fret, 3rd string 4th fret, top string 5th fret. Alright homies, let's go over the structure for this song. So we're gonna begin with the intro. We got verse 1. The chorus, verse 2, chorus again, verse 3, and then we're going to end with the chorus. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Alright, same 2 chords the entire song. It's gonna be super easy, so let's play it all together and get this one jamming. Ready? Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like, and if you know somebody who wants to learn how to play this song, go ahead and share it with them. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link for the Discord is in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time.